Hi guys, how to make an art reveal. If you don't know, then follow me what I do. Add this layer. How to have it? Just add layer over here. Next, you add color like something. Just add color. And then you add another color if you want to.
Siyempre, nung palog ko yung screen, tumudit ang handle.
And just wait.
Yan yung gawa ko tinapal.
I'm gonna make the Italian flag.
Yung gamit kong handle, ay gamit kong bisagra, conceal. Gusto yung ano, mga na yung magigisto. Tutudya kitang frame ng kay. Tutudya yung frame ng... Mga na yung... Dos medyaning kaya eh. Yung conceal din. Tapos yung
Jigu mumu. Italy. Respect me. No, I don't mean Italy. I mean.
Maganda po 1 byte to. Wala. Pwede yun. Hindi nga paano maging 2 byte 3 yan. Matayang gawan ko na.
Is it the red thing or something? I don't care if it is. Because my green things are inside of me. No. No, you just like blah 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 blah. No, what does it look like? Does it look like this? What? What? So it's like this? I'm heartbroken if it's like this. Wait, I was dumb all the time? And that, and then erase it with this. If you wanna do this, how to do this, just go to the, like this and then zoom. That's how. Nah, so move it. And that's how you do